Hi, hello, fam. It's been a minute. Welcome back. Yo, it's been a minute. But I'm so sorry, guys. I was MIA. So now I was just like, let me just come back and be the person in your faces. In your faces. I was out with a cold. I'm so sorry. Trying to recover. Voice is still nasal. I'm so sorry about that, but I missed you so much. And I thought I can't be away for this long, so let me come back and be with my fam. It's been a while. So I think the last time you saw me, I was with my mom, and she was like guiding me on how to do a twisted rope. Is it a twisted? Yeah, I think it's a twisted rope. I'm finished with the project. It's quite long. I think it's 3 meters. I did finish with that, and that was about a week ago, but I couldn't record anything because I was sickling. And apart from that, then this week I actually started with the new project for this week, and this is the one I started with. I'm back with the mesh. I left it halfway. I'm trying to recreate a shoe bag. I will link up the bag this side or that side, but you'll see the bag I'm trying to recreate with this. But already I'm doing a different design. I don't have a pattern for this, but if you do want the pattern, comment below, and maybe on the next video I can do a pattern for this or not. But anyway, I'm just freestyling it and see how it goes. Like the one I previously did, I did freestyle that one and it came out so lovely. So we're back here again, which this one is a bit different that I'm doing, because the other one I worked in the round, but this one I'm working the pattern. But I'll share more details next week. But I was just coming in and checking in on y'all. How you doing? I hope you're good. Take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself. There's a flu bug going on. Yeah, this weather change is hectic, drastic. But let's take care of ourselves and our health. And if you need to rest. Otherwise, your body's gonna tell you rest. Yeah. Okay, see you back next time. Bye, fam.